Hello dear friends of salyantiques.co.uk. Today we have some boxes that just arrived. Andrew purchased a lot of interesting things and we have no idea what's in there, and he doesn't want to tell us because it's a surprise, so we will proceed to unboxing. So what we'll do, well, Catherine on one hand and Simon, who's filming me right now, on the other, we'll switch cameras, we'll open the boxes and we'll see what's inside. So let's get going. So let's proceed to unboxing. Everyone seems to be in a rush because they have a lot of things to do. Let's see who will manage to do this first. In the left corner we have Simon with the big tall parcel, which probably is either a painting or some very nice signs.
I'm taking my time, thank you very much. I'm in no rush.
Well, we don't want to destroy the precious antiques, do we?
Well, no, that would not be great, would it?
What do you think it's inside, Si?
I think it's a sign of some kind. Just caught a little glimpse.
Catherine, any idea?
Time machine, hopefully. That'd be nice. I mean, we got a Dalek upstairs, so the time machine would go nicely with that.
We still have to assemble the Dalek only. Well, partially assembled. He knows. That's a lot of tiny boxes.
It's Christmas!
Look at that. Simon is almost finished.
The great reveal. Here we go.
Dun, da, 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 da.
Hey, put it back, put it back. Put it. This is cool. Come on. This is absolutely lovely.
Oh, it's double-sided.
You can't get better than this. Look at that. Imagine people having that in your living room. This is... And for the first time, it's actually... I don't think it's a Spitfire, isn't it? It's a different type of airplane. It's a Hurricane, isn't it? Yes, it
It's
is.
the same on the other side.
Oh no, it's not the same. No. Look, it comes on the other. It comes on the other way. Yeah, this
I
is
thought that
cool.
said free hugs then. I was like, that's a bit.
Yes, obviously this is a pub sign, isn't it?
Yeah, it's from, as far as I can work out, the only pub called the Battle of Britain was a pub in Kent, which was originally built for officers. I think it was just after the Second World War, but from a World War II airfield in Kent, and then it moved to a more modern premise, which kind of looked lovely actually, and then it got bulldozed without planning permission.
Oh bugger.
Yeah, I'm not sure if that is definitely an original pub sign. That's the only pub that I can actually find with that name, the Battle of Britain. So I assume it comes from there.
There's a good chance that this is it.
Well, it came from Kent, so something up.
It could be. It could be. Oh, Warcraft.
Yeah.
Ew. Let's see. Come on, show it to the camera. What's that side? This is Bolton, isn't it?
No, this isn't Warcraft.
That's more coffee.
Is it? Well, it doesn't say it on the bottom.
You have a lot of bits of fluff flying through the camera, so there's probably a lot of dust in here.
That's Florian wear. That's really early Moorcroft.
Yeah.
That's when he worked for McIntyre.
Yeah, James McIntyre.
Oh, it's
That's
very
it.
nice.
He was like their lead designer. And he was so good. All the other designers didn't like him because his work was better. So he was kind of like ousted out.
You're fired!
Exactly. He was fired for being too talented.
Unbelievable. Oh, that's a story for you, folks.
And what's in there? Just lots of bits of Royal Dalton which Simon hates, but I like, so tough. Yeah, I do.
Simon hates that with passion.
I like it. I love Dalton. Okay. And now figurines. The figurines are popular.
Always.
There's not too much in there. I think it's just more figurines.
Ah, it's a doggy.
My doggy. Let's see. you. That's a squeezy doggy.
Fun to tidy up.
Wow, yeah, it's a lot of boxes, isn't it? What's that side? Let's see.
The vet.
Come on, show it to the camera.
Country
Wait, wait, wait.
veterinarian.
Oh! Ah, Catherine loves that. Look.
It's got lamb.
It's got a lamb. Yeah.
Oh,
Has it got mint sauce?
babe.
Look at that face.
Oh, wait. Someone is upset now. So, for our spectators, yeah, that's a day from the life of an antique shop assistant. Yeah. And the wonderful princess.
Yeah. Got her. What do you call that?
Bonnet.
No, it's where they stitch
Acne.
into. No, it's called something else.
Syphilis.
What do they call it? Like embroidery or something? When they
Where?
when
Oh,
they make
yes, crochet.
crochet.
Oh, the crochet, yeah.
That's
No,
the,
that's cross stitch.
cross.
Oh, cross
That's
stitch.
the one I was looking for.
Crochet's knitting.
There's one educated man here. Here we
An
go.
old lady with some Christmas presents.
Which we may not find this year because of the container prices I just read about this morning.
You got to bring Brexit into it somehow.
I don't want to buy, but I don't want a container for Christmas.
So here we go, folks. That's pretty much it for today. Say goodbye to the good
Oi,
people.
I
What?
still got one left.
Ah, okay, the last one. Okay.
Oh, you're so patient.
That's a lot of paper.
Oh, is that one?
Man with
Come on,
a
let's build it into one.
drum and a turban.
Yeah, they can do
Thank you.
things with snakes and stuff. All right, well, that's it from us. Come on, say goodbye to camera.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.